When it comes to electronic signatures, choosing the right tool can make a big difference. Whether you're a small business or a larger enterprise, you want an eSignature solution that's easy to use, secure, and works across all your devices. Let's take a look at two of the most popular options, Dropbox Sign and DocuSign. Both are solid choices, but they cater to different needs. Let's break it down. Dropbox Sign is built around simplicity. It's designed to be fast, easy to use, and lightweight. The interface is clean and setting up is a breeze. For businesses that need to send documents and collect signatures quickly, Dropbox Sign is a great fit. It integrates well with file storage tools like Dropbox itself. And if your team uses Google Drive or other services, you'll find it easy to pull in and send documents. Many of Dropbox Sign's plans offer unlimited signature requests, so if your business sends documents regularly, this could be a huge plus. It's a tool that gets the job done without complexity, which makes it perfect for small businesses or startups with straightforward signing needs. It's also a good choice for those who want a no-frills solution that lets you focus on getting contracts signed without spending too much time on tech setup or learning curves. On the other hand, DocuSign is the heavyweight of e-signature solutions. It has been around for years and is used by millions of businesses worldwide. The platform offers advanced features like multi-step workflows, conditional routing, and enterprise-level security. If your business deals with sensitive contracts, multiple signers, or needs more control over the signing process, DocuSign has you covered. It's especially popular in industries like real estate, finance, and legal, where compliance and security are top priorities. DocuSign's interface can be a little more complex compared to Dropbox Sign, but that's because it's packed with powerful tools to handle larger, more complicated workflows. While Dropbox Sign is about simplicity, DocuSign is about depth and control. So how do you choose between Dropbox Sign and DocuSign? If your priority is ease of use and you want a solution that works across devices without a steep learning curve, Dropbox Sign is likely your best bet. It's faster to get started, and the simplicity of the tool means you can focus on your business without getting bogged down in complicated features. In short, both tools are excellent choices, but it all comes down to your business needs. Choose Dropbox Sign if you want speed, simplicity, and cost-effective signing. Choose DocuSign if you need powerful features, greater control, and enterprise-level security.